Alright guys, welcome to my video tutorial and it's exactly 63 days to the launch of EOS mainnet, and I'm getting lots of requests, people wanting to learn how to buy how to buy EOS with STEEM on Binance, and that's what this video tutorial is for. Alright, so quickly let's dive right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open a Binance account. I'm assuming you're already on Steemit, because this video tutorial is especially for those on Steemit. Alright, okay. If you don't have a Steemit account, you can check my wall and use this link to open a Steemit. Sorry, if you don't have a Binance account, you can use this link to open a Binance account. Alright, so uh and once you're done, make sure you follow the instructions. And I have about okay, not about, I have exactly two Binance accounts, right? Two Binance accounts, and I use this one for tutorials, right? So once you're done, and make sure you have your Google Authenticator, right? I think I have a video tutorial on how to open a Binance account. Right, maybe I'll drop it in the description below. Okay, the first thing you need to do to move your um, Steam into Binance and get EOS, first of all, you need to go to there are several ways. Either you search for Steam here, right? And then you click deposit. So let's do that. So, alright, so this is it. There's an instruction here. Now make sure what you're sending to this address is Steam and not SBD. If you send SBD, it's going to be lost, right? You cannot get it back, and it's not going to be deposited. I don't know why Binance don't want to look into that, because it's actually very easy to. Okay, look at what they say here. Depositing Steam to Binance requires both deposit address and a deposit memo. If you fail to include the memo with your deposit, the funds will be lost forever. And I don't think that's cool, because it's very easy for them to refund, right? So you click I understand. All right, so this will be the the username you send it to. Now you don't even need to copy this. No, I'm sorry, type this one by one. You can just click copy, right? And this is the memo. Now remember the instruction that you read, that you must put the instruction else, right? Send only Steam to this address. That means if you send SBD, to be lost. I sent SBD. It was a mistake though. It was a mistake. I sent SBD and they are forever gone. I hope Binance looks into that, because it's actually very easy to return back SBD. It's so simple. Alright. Now make sure you're sending just Steam, right? And depositing Steam to Binance requires both deposit address and memo. So if you fail to include memo, deposit will be lost forever. Why? Because this memo is unique to you, right? If you send without this memo, they might not be able to make it reflect in your account on Binance, right? Uh, so now let's see the other way. Alright, so another way in this can be done is by clicking deposit from funds. So when you do that, you also get to this place, right? So now let's send Steam to this guy. So you copy, right? You click that and copy the username. You go to Steemit and transfer. Alright, so I'm going to be testing this with um 40, right? Now don't forget the memo, it's very important. To copy the memo, it's been copied, and fix that. Now before you click submit, check what you've done. This is deep crypto 8. Now go back and be sure it's deep crypto 8 that was written there. All right, the memo is 105526794. Cross check. All right, 105526794. That is correct. Now make sure you do that for every other transaction you're doing, whether it's on Steemit or any other platform. Cross check the addresses, make sure they are the same. All right, you can do the cross checking 4 or 5 times. The more you check it, the better, right? All right, now we can submit this. Now also be sure that you're sending Steem, right? Let's not forget that part, because sending Steem and sending SBD looks alike. You know what I'm saying? You see, you can click here, you have SBD. Now be sure that it is Steem. All right, cross check all these things, because once you send it oh, all right, let's move ahead. So submit, and I don't think this is my owner key, so let me go get it. So for my Steemit account, I always use my posting key right here, but whenever I want to make transactions like this, I just go and get my owner key. I don't even use my master password. All right, my master password is saved somewhere. All right, so now signing. Nope, thank you. All right, so just gonna let that go through. All right, so it's gone, and the next thing you do is go to Binance. It's going to reflect in some seconds. All right, so all you just need to do is refresh, and it's going to be around here, right? It's going to be around here. Okay, now we have a Steem here, right? So the next thing is to do is to buy EOS. All right, so you go to basic, and there are several ways in which this can be done. You can either use the market price, the limit order, or stop limit. Now for I can't tell you which of these ones are the best ways to do this, but so there are 3 different ways in which you can buy this on different cryptocurrencies on. What am I doing here? We don't want to buy subtract. What we need is EOS. So the first thing you need to do is check how you want to buy your EOS. Now there are different trading pairs here. You can either change your Steem to Bitcoin or change it to Ethereum or any of these guys and use it to buy EOS, right? So I for this tutorial I think I want to use Ethereum for no particular reason. I just want to use Ethereum. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to be cutting up some things. So the first thing you do is to change your Steem to Ethereum, right? So you search for Steem and change it to Ethereum. If you're using Bitcoin, you search for Steem. So you click here and search for Steem. Right, so this is it. Once you do that, this place right here will change. Okay, that's already changed to Steem/Ethereum. So want to first of all change Steem to Ethereum, right? We would have used Bitcoin, but for no reason I just decided to use it, Ethereum. So you need to change it to Ethereum or Bitcoin so you can buy the EOS. Why? Because there's no trading pair for Steem and EOS directly. Alright, so there are 3 different ways in which can be done. It's either you use limit order, market order, or stop limit. I have a video tutorial that explains how to use these 3, right? But for this tutorial I'm going to be using market order. Market order gives you the best price, right? You don't need to fill in the price yourself, right? It gives you the best price and the best market price at that time, right? And then you buy stuff for you. While with limit order, you get to choose the price you want to sell, right? While in stop limits is a conditional sell order, right? You said if the price gets to um X, right, sell at XY, right? So that's just basically what it is. So we're going to be using market price, right? So what we want to do is sell our steam. Okay, we have 40 steam here and we're selling all of it. All right, so click sell and it will be sold automatically. Order submitted, and it has been done already. So we have 0.15 steam. Now I'm not saying this is the best method, no, but I decided to use this for this tutorial. So right now what we want to do is, since we have Ethereum, we want to buy EOS right now with Ethereum. Right, so search for EOS and to change right here, and I'm going to be using the market price also, right, using the market price also. And so what we want to do is buy EOS, right? This is where we're going to. So it's still loading. Okay, so still using market price 100%. So 0.153 Ethereum is going to give us 10 EOS. So we click buy there. So order submitted. This place has increased to 30. Alright, so that's just basically how to buy EOS. Alright, from moving from Steemit um, to Binance, changing it to Ethereum, and then buying the EOS with Ethereum. So I think the steps are actually very easy. Alright, so thanks for watching my video tutorial. So you want to get latest information, alright, on what's going on with EOS, right? You can come to this website. It's uscountdown.com. I think I'll drop the link in the description below. Alright, so well, that's that, right? Thanks for watching.